In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an invoice in QuickBooks Online. Before we begin, make sure you have access to your company file and the right permissions to edit or remove transactions. Deleting an invoice affects your reports and balances, so it's a good idea to confirm with your team or accountant that this is the action you want to take. If you prefer to keep a record without removing it from your books, consider voiding instead, but today, we're focusing on deletion. Start by opening your browser and heading to QuickBooks Online. Sign in to your company account using your usual credentials. If you have access to multiple companies, double-check you're in the correct one so you don't remove an invoice from the wrong file. Next, navigate to the Invoices area. On the left-hand menu, select Sales and Get Paid, then choose Invoices. Depending on your layout, you might also reach this screen by going to Customer Hub, selecting Customers, and then opening Invoices. QuickBooks occasionally updates the wording in the menu, but the idea is the same. You want to arrive at the page that lists your invoices. Now, locate the specific invoice you want to delete. You can scroll through the list, or use the search box and filters to narrow it down by customer name, invoice number, date range, or status. When you see it, click the invoice number to open the full transaction. Take a moment to review the details: customer, items, amounts, and tax, so you're absolutely sure this is the correct invoice. If a payment has already been applied, you may find that the delete option is unavailable until that link is resolved. Also keep in mind that deleting removes the invoice from your registers and most reports, though it will still appear in the audit log for traceability. When you're ready to proceed, look to the bottom of the invoice screen and click More. From the options that appear, choose Delete. QuickBooks will ask you to confirm. Click Yes to finalize. After a moment, the invoice will be removed from your active lists. If you want to verify the change, return to the Invoices page and search again. The entry should no longer appear. For historical reference, you can review the audit log to see that the transaction was deleted, which can be helpful for internal controls. A quick tip before you move on. If you want a record for your files, save a PDF copy of the invoice before deleting it. And if you don't see the delete option, your user role or company settings might restrict this action, so check with an admin. That's all it takes to delete an invoice in QuickBooks Online.